Do you want to witness a breakthrough in forestry technology? Powerful and fast tree harvesters are about to be introduced that not only deliver incredible productivity, but also greatly improve work efficiency. Let's explore more about these miracles in the video below to better see the power and potential of this technology in the forest cleanup process. The trees on Australian streets have left a strong impression with the incredible power and sharpness of lumberjacks' saws. High-speed saw heads really create a very interesting sight as they powerfully and quickly cut down trees after just one large cut. In particular, the discovery of a large tree with a diameter of more than 70 centimeters increases the magnificence of this image. The Dipper Fox 600 stump crusher is powerful and versatile, working well on all terrains. With the ability to handle tree stumps up to 600 nm in diameter, the machine quickly crushes and splits tree stumps, saving time and effort. Dipper Fox 600 features sharp cutting blades and powerful pliers, handling large tree stumps in seconds. The machine brings high efficiency and satisfaction, becoming a great assistant for your work. The Pro TL775D wood harvester with Quaco 27 billion heater cutting wood from the Beachy Creek fire in Oregon works surprisingly well. It was great. My feeling is that this technology really brings outstanding efficiency in cleaning and regenerating forests, making environmental restoration more promising and meaningful than ever. The John Deere Harvester 1270G Rapid Harvester is a giant step forward in the forestry industry. With the ability to cut trees up to more than 40 centimeters very accurately and effectively, it not only helps increase productivity, but also brings precision and reliability in the harvesting process. This is an incredible technology that helps gardeners and forest managers manage and exploit forest resources more effectively than ever before. The image of this professional harvester cutting trees smoothly and quickly is not only a technological innovation, but also a symbol of progress in the global forestry industry. The TigerCat 855E excavator with a harvesting head capable of lifting weights of more than 25 tons is truly a symbol of outstanding strength in tree exploitation work. This capability delivers incredible efficiency, helping the excavator handle heavy tasks efficiently and accurately. This is a major step forward in forestry machinery technology, providing industry with powerful tools to optimize production and protect forest resources more effectively. Sampo HR86, a powerful and efficient logging machine. With its advanced design and powerful motor, the HR86 delivers precision and productivity in every cutting job. Equipped with a safe and energy-saving system, HR86 not only helps increase working efficiency, but also protects operator safety. The Ponce C5 woodcutter is the perfect choice for harvesting and processing oak wood with outstanding precision and speed. With the ability to cut wood up to 30 inches in diameter, this harvesting head ensures each cut is made quickly and accurately, helping to optimize performance in the field. The design of Ponce C5 is optimized to meet the strict requirements of the forestry industry, thereby providing flexibility and efficiency during operation. This is an indispensable tool for oak producers, helping them improve productivity and reduce production costs. Thank you for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to improve future videos. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to receive latest updates from us. Thank you so much and see you soon.